Hi, I'm Omkar Newhouse for Omkar Structural Bodyworks, and today we're going to show you how to turn down your fight and flight and turn up the rest and repair. So, to set up the rest and repair circuit, the tight and flight circuit, we're going to turn 9 circles on the inside of the wrist. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. We should feel a tingling going into the fingers and perhaps a relaxation going outside. The other arm going into the right wrist. 1, clockwise on the inside of the wrist. Same direction, of course, with the finger and the thumb. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So mousing or wrists driving, when you're using your hands a lot, these will help relieve that tension. Rest and rip, reducing that. 39 circles inside the wrist, 39 circles outside at the same time. And I'm Omkar for Omkar Structural Bodyworks. Thank you very much for this little bit of rest and repair and turning down your fight and flight. We'll have more tips with you in our next video. For more information, go to omkarstructuralbodywork.com. Thank you.